Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add picture on Instagram after posting. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and click on profile picture in the right bottom. Here you can see my Instagram account. So let me scroll down. So this is the picture and click on three dots. And here you can see archive, hide line counts, turn off commenting, edit. So we are going to click on edit, but here you can see you can only change text and tag people and add location. So there is no option currently available on Instagram to add picture after posting. So I hope it is clear to you. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.